Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Tabular Editor 2. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'm going to make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to enter Tabular Editor. You'll get this official website. First one, click on it. Then you need to click on this download button. Okay. Over here, select this drop down arrow and you'll get the last option, that is Tabular Editor 2. It is an open source, means it is free to use. Okay, so I've selected this and click on it. It is hosted on a GitHub, so it will open the GitHub website, and from here you will get the two links. One is for portable, second is a Windows installer. So we are going to select this Windows installer. This is going to download the setup file. We'll click on open. I'll minimize the web browser, click on next. I agree, then click on next. Okay, for here you can select for everyone. Click on next, click on next, click on next, and click on close. So this is the desktop icon for Tabular Editor 2. Okay, if you double click it, we'll launch this and see the interface. That's how the interface of Tabular Editor 2 looks. Okay, from here you can connect to a server. Okay, and you can access the data models. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.